Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 655, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake and McHenry, and the following: Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 656, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Marion and Cass, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 7:45 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Racine to Kenosha to near Pleasant Prairie, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard: water spouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and greatly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations of hazards include Winthrop Harbor and Muskegon Harbor. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-line of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 21 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, and Branch County in southwestern Michigan until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerville, 7 miles southeast of Three Rivers, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near surface around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Nottawa, Fawn River, Brighton, Mongo, Howe, Wassipi, Brushy Prairie, Findlay, Broke, and Klinger Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Michigan, Branch and St. Joseph, and LaGrange, Indiana.